So for this tutorial, we will only be adding the sleeves. I've already made tutorial for this top. I will put the link on the description box below or tap the card on the upper part of the screen. After you've done that, go back to this video and I will teach you how to add the sleeves. By the way, I'm Kaya Safanyo, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and comment down below anything positive or suggestions for improvements on my channel to keep my channel growing. For the materials, we will use the same on the first video, any fingering weight yarn and a 2.5mm hook. So here I've already made the first sleeves. We will use the same pattern on the other one and I'm just showing you how it looks like. So to start, we will just attach our yarn anywhere near on the underarm just to hide the seam when it's worn. After you've attached your yarn, we will work with 2 single crochets each row. You can take along your loose end so you don't have to weave it later on. So here's our first single crochet, and then work your second single crochet in between the rows. This is to avoid creating big holes in every row. Starting on the next stitch, work 1 round of double crochet and finish by slip stitching on the 3rd chain. So basically, we will just repeat the same pattern in round 2 to add few more rows until you reach a length 2 inches below the elbow when you try to put it on. Also, we won't do any increase or decrease on the underarm part, so it'll be more comfortable to raise hands when worn. So I made here a total of 32 rounds. It is not necessary that you will also make 32 rounds. It will depend on your arm length. You can add more rows until it's 2 inches below your elbow. Once it's 2 inches below your elbow, we will now start to decrease, and to decrease, start with chain 2, skip next stitch and work half double crochet on the next. Again, skip 1 stitch and work half double crochet on the next. Repeat that until you finish the round. And to finish, you'll just slip stitch on the second chain. So you see this armhole, this must fit your arm just right, not too loose or too tight. But this one is still loose, so we will add one more round of decrease. And to add, chain 2, skip next stitch, and on the next 2 stitch, work half double crochet. Again, skip 1, and on the next 2, work half double crochet. Repeat that for the whole round. After you finish the round and you think it's too tight, instead of working with skip 1 and 2 half double crochet, you can work an alternate of skip 1 and 3 half double crochet or 4 half double crochet. Once you're done, it should fit like this, not too loose or too tight. Of course, to finish the round, just slip stitch on the second chain. Now we will work in rounds of single crochet. Start with chain 1 and then single crochet all the next stitches for the whole round. Finish the round by slip stitching on the first chain. Using the same pattern, add 2 more rounds of single crochet. Once you're done with your 3 rounds of single crochet, slip stitch, chain 1 to secure and cut the yarn. After that, weave your ends, and for our back lace, I think it's self-explanatory how to attach it. And again, we're done with our tutorial. Please do tag me when you post your works using this tutorial so I could also see them. Thank you!